2, 1.
Has your interactive whiteboard gone wonky while you were gone? Is the pen drawing in a weird location? Then it's time to calibrate. Grab your Epson remote and press the menu button. Use the arrows to move down to extended menu and press enter. Select the easy interactive function and press enter. Select auto calibration and press enter. Press enter to select yes. Step away from the screen during calibration. A pattern appears and will disappear. After it disappears, calibration is complete. If you have a notice that says the calibration has failed, you will have to calibrate manually.